Hello Red Devils, MUFC Legend here, and I'm back again with another video, and there's breaking news coming in. So as you can see here, we are in talks. So club official responds to reports that £27 million Man United star has struck a deal with Turkish giants. And those Turkish giants are Galatasaray. So Galatasaray have been closely linked with Manchester United midfielder Marouane Fellaini. In fact, Turkish outlet Ajanspor claimed that Fellaini has agreed personal terms with Galatasaray, and apparently Galatasaray sporting director Cenk Ergun has responded to the latest reports, confirming that talks are underway. So the transfer is yet to be complete, but the Lions have made an official approach for Fellaini and are actually closing in on a deal. So this is what the sporting director of Galatasaray said: "There will be surprises. We are in talks with Fellaini. We have made an approach. We are close. And if we get Fellaini, we will end our pursuit of Ndiaye, which is another centre mid player. So we need a player like Fellaini who can shuttle around in midfield." So Galatasaray will replace Nigel de Jong with Marouane Fellaini, and hopefully they agree on a fee with Manchester United. That is yet to be agreed, which is why the transfer has not been complete yet. And Fellaini has less than a year on his contract remaining, and he wasn't offered a new deal by Mourinho. As much as Mourinho has praised Marouane Fellaini, he's not offered him a new deal, and he's got less than 12 months on his contract left. And in my opinion, I do believe Fellaini will leave for Galatasaray. Fellaini has done his Manchester United. He's won couple of trophies for us. He was arguably one of our best players in the Europa League campaign. But in pre-season, he hasn't looked that great, to be honest. And a lot of fans would be happy to see Fellaini gone. But you have to agree that he has been as an effective option for us. But that's all he was. He was an option B for us. He wasn't a first team player, and all the fans were arguing that Marouane Fellaini, a player of his caliber, should not be first team for Manchester United. We need higher caliber players, and I agree. And Fellaini does look close to be joining Galatasaray this summer. And anyway, I'll keep you updated, so please like and subscribe. It's been MUFC Legend, and I'll see you guys later.